What are the biggest takeaways from SOLIDWORKS World first day or the first session? Let's talk about that next. So the biggest announcement from day one of SOLIDWORKS World was 3DExperience.works. So this is a new offering on the 3DExperience platform that includes plan, design, simulate, and manufacture. And basically this is an offering that's really targeted at the SOLIDWORKS community. The idea here is that a lot of the brands that you associate with Dassault, so CATIA, Delmia, Simulia, all of those types of capabilities or offerings, traditional offerings, have been merged into the 3DExperience platform. And not only have they been migrated to the 3DExperience platform, but their capabilities have been combined into different offerings. Let me say it like that. So if you look at something like plan, or let's look at design, you likely have capabilities from both CATIA and Innovia included in there. So this is a new offering that's kind of abstracted out the brands typically associated with Dassault, so that it's more functionally driven. And I think the idea is that will be more appealing to the SOLIDWORKS community, which to various degrees has resisted the move to something like the 3DExperience platform. There's some other aspects that are interesting there. Integration is, I think, an interesting characteristic there, in that all these tools are kind of together. You don't have a separate PLM solution, you don't have a separate CAD solution, it's all part of the platform. The other advantageous thing there is cloud. So accessibility, especially for collaboration, as well as increased compute power in the cloud, are advantages of the offerings. That's it. Take care. Talk soon.